Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Master English channel, where learning English feels easy, natural, and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hi to all our wonderful friends. I'm Kevin. How are you today, Sarah?
I'm wonderful, Kevin. Thank you. I am feeling very happy today.
Oh, why are you so happy?
The weather is so nice. I love sunny days like this. And you, Kevin, how are you feeling?
I am very, very good, thanks. I am also happy and a little bit excited
Excited? Why?
because of our topic today. It's a big, important topic.
Oh, a big topic? What is it?
Today, we talk about how to train your brain to speak in English.
Wow. Wow, Kevin, that is a big topic. Train my brain?
Yes, train your brain, like exercise for your mind.
Exercise. Is it difficult?
No, 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 it is not difficult at all. It is easy, and it is actually very fun.
Easy and fun? Okay, I'm ready.
That's great. But wait, before we start,
Oh, yes, before we start, everyone, we have a very small, kind request.
yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, the little thumbs up button. Click, click, click.
And please subscribe to the Master English channel.
Subscribing is super important. It helps us make more helpful episodes just for you.
And share this episode with your family and your friends.
Yes, share with everyone who is learning. Okay, I am ready now. Train my brain.
Okay, Sarah, let's start. So when you want to speak English, what happens in your head? What do you think?
What do I think? I think in my own language first.
Ah, yes, your first language.
Yes, I think a word in my language, then I translate it in my head.
Yes, translate. Then you speak the English word. I understand that so many students do this, but it is slow.
Yes, it is very slow. My brain is like, wait, so much hard work.
It is hard work, and our goal, our big happy goal, is to think directly in English.
Think in English? Wow. No translation, just English?
Yes, doesn't that sound fast?
It does. It sounds fast and natural. Okay, I want this. How do we even start?
Gently. We start small.
Small?
Very small. Like one word.
One word is good, but a small sentence is maybe better.
A sentence? Oh, that sounds big.
No, very small. Look, I have a pen.
Yes, you have a pen.
In my head, I don't just think pen.
No?
No, I think this is my pen.
Ah, this is my pen. Or my pen is blue.
Yes, exactly. Good job, Kevin.
Thank you. Okay, so small sentences in my head.
Yes, all day long. It's easy. For example, in the morning, you wake up.
Okay, I wake up and I stretch, ready to start the day.
Yes, Kevin. And what do you think?
I am awake
Yes, perfect. Or I am hungry.
and I want coffee. I go to the kitchen, I open the door.
Yes, this is it.
Really? Is this training my brain?
Yes, you are thinking in English sentences. For instance, I brush my teeth. The water is cold. I see my face.
I am very handsome. Okay, I like this tip.
It is tip number 1. Think in small sentences.
When I am at home, when I am on the bus, yes, on the bus. I see a window. I see a red car. A man is walking. It is a sunny day.
Wow, Kevin, you are doing great.
I am. I am thinking in English. It feels good.
Yes, it feels different, but good. You connect the English to your life, not to your language.
Ah, yes. English, life. No translation.
Exactly. This is the big secret. Okay, tip one, small sentences. I am talking to Kevin.
Sarah is a very good teacher.
Thank you. Okay, what is tip number two?
Tip number 2 is input.
Input? What is input?
Input is English in. English goes into my ears.
Yes, into your ears and into your eyes. Listening.
Listening, like this podcast.
Yes, Kevin, good idea. Like this podcast, we are good input.
We are great input. When you listen to easy English,
Easy English, A1, A2 level.
yes, your brain starts to hear the patterns.
Patterns?
Yes, the sentence patterns. I am, you are, he has.
Ah, the rhythm, the music of English.
Yes, what a good word, the music.
So listening helps my brain think.
Yes, it gives your brain food, English food.
I like English food. So what do I listen to?
Well, Master English Channel, of course, and simple songs.
Songs? Music? I like music.
Me too. Find simple English songs, songs you like. When you like the music, listening is fun. It is not work.
Yes. Fun is good. Learning must be fun.
Yes, or simple pop songs. Some pop songs are very repetitive.
Repetitive?
The words again and again. I love you. I love you. Like a love song, baby.
See, you know it. Okay, simple music. I like that. What else?
And watching.
Watching. Input for my eyes.
Yes, watching videos. Movies are good, but sometimes they're very, very fast.
Yes, too fast. The words are like little fish. Swish, swish, swish.
Fish, fish, fish. Yes, I understand. I watch and I am lost. So find things you like to watch. What do you like, Sarah?
I like cooking.
Perfect. Find simple cooking videos in English.
Oh, good idea. The person says, I see the tomato. I add the salt.
And I cut the tomato. I add salt. Then you connect the word and the action.
Wow, that is a great tip, Kevin. I like sports too. I like football.
Okay, so find short videos, maybe news about football. He kicks the ball. It is a goal.
Exactly. Because you like cooking and you like football, it is not boring. It is interesting. It is attractive. And my brain is happy.
Yes, a happy brain learns more. Okay, so tip 2, input. Listen to simple podcasts and music and watch simple videos about things you love.
Cooking, sports, maybe travel?
Yes, travel videos are great. This is Paris. It is beautiful. This is much better. Learning is fun now.
It is input. Listen and watch. This feeds my brain.
Yes, it makes your brain strong in English. Okay, tip 1, small sentences. Tip 2, input. Are you ready for tip 3?
I am ready.
Tip 3 is output.
Output. Okay, input is English in, output is English out.
Yes, Sarah, that's great. English out, like speaking.
But Kevin, I am often alone. I have no one to talk to.
You have you. Speak to yourself.
Speak to myself?
Yes.
People will think I am crazy.
No, do it in your room, in the car, in the shower.
In the shower? Okay, it is a private, fantastic way to train, but what do I say?
Look around your room.
Okay, my room.
Describe it. Speak out loud. Your ears need to hear your own voice in English.
Okay, this is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big. I have a table. The table is brown. I see 2 chairs.
Great job, Sarah. Keep going.
A lamp. The lamp is on. Wow, this feels strange, but good.
How does your brain feel?
My brain is working. It is finding the words.
Yes, and you are not translating, right?
No, I see the bed. I say bed. Yes, I connect the thing and the word.
Yes, this is training. This is how you build English inside your brain. You can also talk about your day.
Yes, at night in bed. Today I was happy. I ate pasta for lunch. I talked to Kevin. Kevin is very funny.
Sarah, thank you. Sarah is very smart. See, we're talking.
Yes, this is output, speaking, so I don't need a partner to start.
A partner is good, very good, but you don't need one to begin. You can start alone. You can start with you.
So, tip 3, speak to yourself. Describe your world.
Yes, what am I doing now? I am sitting. I am cooking. I cut the tomato. The tomato is red. I am happy.
This is perfect.
Wow, okay, this is a lot of good information. Let's review.
Yes, review. Tip 1,
Think in small sentences all day. I am walking. I am reading.
tip 2,
Input. Listen and watch things I like. Easy English. Podcasts like Master English Channel, simple songs and simple videos about cooking or sports.
and tip 3.
Speak. Speak to myself. Describe your room, your day. Like, I am speaking English right now.
Yes, you are. Kevin, this is great. But is it fast? Do I learn fast? Will my brain change tomorrow?
No, Sarah. No, it is slow. Learning a language is slow, but that's okay. Be patient.
Oh, okay. I will be patient.
Yes, be kind to your brain. Hello, brain. I am kind.
Yes, do it every day. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, small steps.
Small steps every day. And what if I make a mistake? I say, I is happy. Oh no, I am happy.
Mistakes are good, Kevin. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning. When you make a mistake, you say, oh, okay, and you try again.
Oh, okay. I will be brave. Don't be afraid to be wrong.
And have fun.
Have fun. Yes, it must be fun. If it is not fun, I will stop. I like watching cooking videos. That is fun.
And I like talking to you, Kevin. That is fun.
Me too, Sarah. Wow, my brain feels bigger.
Your English brain is growing.
That was a great episode, Sarah.
Thank you, Kevin. You had great examples. I hope this helps everyone.
Me too. And if it helps you, everyone listening, we have one more request.
Yes, please don't forget to subscribe to Master English Channel.
Subscribe for more easy, fun episodes and share this one. If you have a friend learning English, send it to them. Share the fun.
And we have a question for you.
Ooh, homework.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us, what do you do to train your brain?
Do you listen to music? Do you speak to yourself? Do you watch cooking videos? Write your tips in the comments. We want to read them.
Yes, we do. Thank you for listening, everyone.
It was so much fun. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.